Student, now we are going to solve that exercise 1.4 class 10 general maths question number 2. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion, which means those questions are terminating decimal expansion in question number 1. We have to solve that part only into the decimal expansion. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Students, now in exercise 1.4 question number 1 already we have done this question number 1, so we can say that question Roman 1, then Roman 2, then Roman 4 are terminating decimal expansion, then Roman 6, then Roman 8, then Roman 9. These 6 sums are terminating decimal expansion, so we have to find out the decimal expansion of these questions. Those are in question number 1 are terminating decimal expansion. So 1, then 2, then 4, then 6, 8 and 9. These 6 sums are terminating decimal expansions in question number 1, and we have to find out the decimal expansion of these 6 only. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Now student, look how to show this fraction or the question number 1 of 1.4 exercise. We have to convert into decimal. Now 13 by 3125 is given here, so we'll have to do here like 3125. Already we did like this in question number 1. So 5 6 are 30, then there is 2 and 5. If there is a 125 means 5 2s are 10. If it is 5 2s are 10, then now again with 5 1s are 5, then 6 minus 5 is 112, means 2 5 2s are 10, then 5 again. Now 5 is 25, now 5 is 5 means 5 times. So here we can write 13 by 5 to the power 5. Now look, if I want to convert this portion into decimal, which means it is easier. Look student, I am showing you by the side of this one. It is easier to show the decimal like suppose 2 by 10 or 5 by 100 or 6 by 1000. It is easier to show these digits into the decimal if the denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 like this. So I will try to convert the denominator into the into 10 or 1000 or 100 10,000 like this, because if we go for the long division with 13 by 3125 it will take time. So easiest way to convert the denominator into the 10 100 or 1000 like this. So if it is 5 to the power 5, so if I write here 2 to the power 5, and if I multiply the same with the numerator and the denominator, which means if we cancel these two we'll get this one again. I repeat again, if we cancel these two we'll get this one again. Now 13 into 2 to the power 5 is 2 to the power 5 is 32, and look here, base are different, powers are same, so we can write like this 5 into 2 whole to the power 5. Now next step would be, here I am just showing you by the side of this one, 32 into 13. So 3 2s are 6, 3 into 3 9, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So 6, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 1 6 here. Now if I want to multiply this 13 into 32, then there could be 4 1 6. Now next would be 5 2s are 10, 10 to the power 5, which means if it is 10 to the power 5, which means the next step would be 4 1 6, then 10 into 5 times. It is not like 5 10s are 50, not like that. It is 10 into 5 times, which means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. This is 10 to the power 5 means this one. So 1 will be here. Now how many 0? 1 2 3 4 5 5 0 5 0 will be here. 1 2 3 4 5 5 0 will be here. I hope you understand. Now next would be, look here, 416. First I will write here 416. Now look, 416 3 digit and 3 digit already there. Now remaining part would be 2 digit only, then 0 and 0, and 1 is decimal. I repeat again, 416 3 digit is here. Now remaining 2 0 there. Now 1 means decimal point, and since it starts with decimal point, we'll write here 0. This is the decimal expansion of question number 2, Roman 1. Now the next question is 2 Roman 2, and it is 17 by 8. Now look, 17 by 8. Initially I will find out the prime factor of 8. 4 to the 8 and 2 to the 4 means 2 cube only. So here 17 by 2 cube. Now look, if 17 by 2 cube, and if I introduce 5 cube and 5 cube here, means both, if I multiply the both numerator and denominator with the 5 cube, will be easy, as because it is very much easier to represent into the decimal expansion if we introduce in the denominator as 10, 100 or 1000 like this. If we go for the long division, it will go long only. Now next one, 17 into 5 cube means 125, and here it is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means power is 3 here, not 5, 3. Now look, I'm showing you a rough work, 125 and 7. So 5 7 is how much? 35. Carry 3. 7 to the 14 plus 3, 17. Carry 1. 7 to 7 plus 1, 8. Next one, 5 1 ja 5, 2 1 ja 2, and 1 1 ja 1. So 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 1 2 5. So here I will write 7 into 25 is 2 1 2 5. Now next would be 2 into 5 means 10 cube. If it is 10 cube, now I am striking out this rough part here. Now if it is 10 cube, then 10 means 1000. So 2 1 2 5. Now look, next would be 2 1 2 5, 1 2 3, 3 decimal point, 1 2 3, 3 decimal point here, which means 2.2125 is the answer. Now look student, next one is 2 Roman 4. 2 Roman 4 in question number 1, this is also terminating decimal expansion, and we are going to represent the terminating decimal expansion of question number 1 into decimal expansion in question number 2. So 2 Roman 4 is the next one. First of all, I will find out the prime factors of 1600. So divide by 2 first. If it is divided by 2, which means there is 800. Now again divide by 2 means 400. Again 2, 200. Again 2, 100. Again 2 means 50. Now next would be 25. Now look here, if it is 25, then 5 into 5, 25, which means 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 and 5 square. Look here, similarly I also write here in 15 by 1600 is 2 to the power, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 into 5 square, 5 square. Now look, next would be, there is 2 to the power 6 and 5 square. So if I multiply both the numerator and denominator with 5 to the power 4, then look, 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 also here. I repeat again, there is 2. If I introduce 5 to the power 4, means base same power should be added. 4 plus 2 is 6, then will be easy. So next would be here 15 into 5 to the power 4 means 5 square is 25, and 5 square is again 25, and 25 into 25 is 625. 5 to the power 4 is 625. Now next one is 2 to the power 6, and here base same power should be added, 5 to the power 6. Now look here, if I go for the multiplication of 6 to 5 and 15, what will happen here? Look, I am going to show you the demo here, means the rough work. 6, 25 and 15. 5 into 5, 25, carry 2. 5 2 is the 10, plus 2, 12, carry 1. 5 6 is 30, plus 1, 31. 5 1 is 5, 2 1 is 2, 6 1 is 6. 5 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 3 9. 5 into 5 25, carry 2. 5 2 is 10, plus 2 12, carry 1. 5 30 plus 1 31. 5 1 is 5, 2 1 is 2, 6 1 is 6. 5 5 plus 2 7, 2 1 3, and 6 plus 3 9. So 9375. 9375. After multiplying 15 and 6 to 5 is 9375, and there could be 2 into 5, base same, powers equal, which means 6 here. Now look, next would be 5 2 is the 10, 10 to the power 6, and 9375. Now after that 10 to the power 6 means it is not like 6 10 just 60. 10 to the power 6 means we have to multiply 10 into 6 times, like 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, then into 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 1 will be here. Now how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros, and 6 zeros will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 zeros will be here, and 9375. Now next would be, first I will write 9375. Now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 equal. I repeat again, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 equal. Now remaining part is 20. 20 is remaining. Then decimal point means 1 means decimal point, and since it starts with decimal, so we'll write here one more 0 here. This is the answer of the Roman 4. Now student, after solving, I have done question number 1, 2 and 4, and remaining 3 questions means 6, 8 and 9 you will solve after watching this video. I hope you understand. Thank you.